been acting so cold. No, I don't want nothing crazy. Just wanna get you alone. And all of this snow is falling.
Hey everyone, it's Chellina Achol, the Sudanese mommy. Today is the first ever episode of Sudo Eats. We're gonna be cooking South Sudanese traditional food. We have a special guest today, my mom. Say hi.
Hello.
We're gonna be making okra for you guys, or gumkara. How do you say it in Arabic?
Bamia.
Bamia?
Okay.
For our ingredients, we prepped beforehand. We have half a cup of oil, 1 large onion, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and about half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 3 cubes of maji, or chicken bouillon, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We also got frozen baby okra, the star of the show, and 2 pounds of lamb. We're gonna take you guys over to the stove. This was the 2 pounds of lamb meat that we pre-boiled for about 10 minutes.
Half cup of oil.
We're gonna caramelize our onions until they get golden brown. Now our onions are all done cooking.
Should want here?
About 1.5 cups of the water first, just to deglaze the bottom of the pan. And then bring in the lamb meat. We're adding the cumin, the salt and pepper, the tomato paste, the minced garlic, the maji cubes. Should I hide or lower the heat? Left behind.
Not much more.
Last time I tried to make this, I failed.
Then you can lower the head down a little. Then
Let it simmer.
it's just good.
Already?
Just you wait for it to cook, for okra to cook, and the meat to cook a little bit more. That's all.
It's been 15 minutes so far and it's almost done. My mom said that you have to watch and make sure the little okra turns brown. Originally it's green, and also the beef is tender, and then you'll know you're almost about done. For this batch it took about 15 minutes so far.
That's how it's going to look like. You can eat it with rice or the bread. It's whatever flavor you like.
Important part is stir very tenderly so the okra doesn't break.
Yep.
Last time I made this, my okra pieces broke.
Yeah, and then you wait for the water to go down a little, and then we're done.
Here we go. We are all done. I already tried a little bit of it earlier and it is phenomenal. I can't believe it. I just struggled for so long and it's just so simple. For sure, get it right on. It just slaps. Oh my god. Tastes like the motherland. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And it's nice to finally be able to have a record, you know, of our food, our culture. I'm like, it was just lost from one generation to the next. I'll have the full recipe of this down below so you can make this at home with precise measurements, not just sprinkling from our ancestors. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is the end of our first episode of Sudo Eats. See see you guys in the next one. Oh, and you better subscribe, like, comment. I had to drag my mother out here to help me with this. Yes, please. I hope you appreciate my efforts. Please subscribe, join the fam, and share this video. You don't know who it's going to reach and who this will help. Thank you guys. Bye.